Need to install Node.js on Windows 10? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete installation process so you can get your development environment set up properly. Before we download anything, it makes sense to verify whether Node.js might already be present on your machine. Go ahead and open the command prompt. You can do this by pressing the Windows key, typing cmd, then click on the command prompt from the result. Once the command prompt window appears, type the following command here and hit enter. If you see an error message saying Node is not recognized as an internal or external command, then Node.js definitely isn't installed yet. Let's check for npm as well by using this command. If you get a similar error message for npm, we've confirmed that neither Node.js nor npm are currently on your system, so it's time to change that. To start, just launch your web browser of choice. In the search bar, type Node.js download and search. You'll want to click on the official Node.js website, which typically appears as the first search result. The site has a distinctive green theme and clean design, making it easy to identify. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down until you find the section for offline installers. The offline installer is great for slower connections and allows you to save the file for later installations. So, look for the Windows Installer Download button. For most modern computers, that'll be the 64-bit version. So, click the download button and wait for the installer file to finish downloading. Then, navigate to your downloads folder and locate the Node.js installer file you just downloaded. Double-click on it to begin the installation process. The installation wizard will appear, and once it loads, go ahead and click Next to get started. You'll be presented with the license agreement. Read through it if you'd like, then check the box to accept the terms and conditions, and click on Next again. The installer will ask you to choose the destination folder. The default location works perfectly fine for most users, so you can simply click on Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll see the custom setup options. Unless you have specific requirements, the default settings are recommended. So, click Next once more. You might see an optional screen about tools for native modules. For basic Node.js usage, this isn't necessary, so you can proceed by clicking Next again. Once you've gone through all the steps, you'll land on the final screen. This is where you'll see Install button. Go ahead and click it to start the installation. The installation will take a little while, so just be patient. Once the installation completes, click Finish to close the installer. Now we need to verify that everything installed correctly. So, open a fresh command prompt window. It's important to open a new window because the previous one won't recognize the newly installed programs. So, go ahead and type this command and hit enter. You should now see a version number displayed, something like version 24.13.0 or whichever version is currently the latest release. Now let's check npm. You should see the npm version number as well, indicating that the Node package manager is also ready to use. Now, let's take it a step further and run some JavaScript code to make sure everything is functioning properly. So, create a new folder somewhere on your computer. Then, open this folder in Visual Studio Code. If you don't have VS Code installed, you can use any text editor, but VS Code provides a better development experience. Inside this folder, go ahead and create a new JavaScript file. Now, inside this file, write a quick console.log command like this. What this does is simply print out a message in your terminal, and that's how we'll know everything is working correctly. After writing the console.log code, make sure you save the file first. Now, it's time to run the code. Go ahead and open the terminal in VS Code. You can do this by going to the menu bar at the top and select Run. From the drop-down menu, select Run without debugging. If a prompt appears asking which environment you want to use, go ahead and select Node.js from the options. And just like that, your message should appear right there in the terminal output. If you can see the message displayed, that confirms Node.js is fully working and can successfully execute JavaScript files on your Windows 10 system.